A sharp, streamline-shaped design. A futuristic form that beautifully matches the interior. The MLZ series from Mitsubishi Electric has arrived. It is a ceiling cassette-type air conditioning unit with high designability and performance. The slim and compact MLZ series ensures easy installation and enhances your environment. It will bring you comfort and beauty that complements your lifestyle in any room or interior. The MLZ series are designed practical and energy efficient. The auto vane control feature includes intermittent up and down swinging that delivers comfort evenly to a room with a high ceiling, such as the living room. It can also aerate a large space evenly for its outlet vanes moving left to right. In addition, thanks to the horizontal airflow, there is no uncomfortable direct airflow during up and down swing. When heating, the entire space will also be comfortable by delivering warmness to your whole room. Remote controller is easy to operate with just a push of a button. The weekly schedule timer is useful for everyday life. This feature helps desired temperatures and operation to be set easily to match lifestyle patterns. You can also equip an optional Wi-Fi device inside an exclusive pocket in the unit. The MLZ series ensures easy installation. The units are designed for 185mm high slim body. The MLZ series utilizes flexible drain parts. Joint connection can be easily done with no required insulation work around the flare. The insulation-free cover collects condensation in the drain pan. Notches are provided for the use of high thermal insulation pipes, resulting in improved workability. In addition, the built-in drain lift-up mechanism supports drain lifting up to 500mm in height from the bottom of the main unit. All these features help realize easy installation. The highly workable and easily installable MLZ series will create a beautiful and comfortable atmosphere with the streamlined design and high functionality.